You are going to love the 2019 F-550 Super Duty. The Ford Super Duty F-550 is a real work truck built with Ford tradition for reliability, safety, and comfort. This heavy-duty work truck is ready to tackle the most demanding jobs and is priced below $50,000. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: brake assist, traction control, four-wheel disc brakes, trip computer, tachometer, power steering, tilt steering wheel, overhead console, passenger vanity mirror, AM/FM stereo radio. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.